Hey there, everyone! This is how I turn my 5.9 Cummins straight pipe. Firstly, we cut the silencer from the exhaust pipe. Then we cut the end to place a bigger pipe. The size of the new pipe is 5 inches in diameter. Once the silencer is cut and removed, we weld a 3 feet long, 4-inch in diameter pipe from one end of the exhaust to another. Afterwards, we weld the new exhaust tip, which is 5 inches for a better, deeper sound.